Question number 2, first subdivision. They have given p of x is equal to 2t power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t squared minus 9t minus 12. G of x is equal to t squared minus 3. We have to check whether this g of x is a factor of this polynomial p of x. We know that g of x is a factor of p of x only when the remainder becomes 0. I will give you one example for that. Now we are telling that 2 and 3 are factors of 6. We are telling so because when you divide 6 by 2, the remainder becomes 0. And when you divide 6 by 3 also, the remainder becomes 0. That is why you are telling that, this is the reason why you are telling that 3 and 2 are factors of 6. That is, those numbers will return remainder 0 when they divide 6. Similarly, if you have to say that t squared minus 3 is a factor of the given polynomial, then when you divide that given polynomial p of x by g of x, the remainder should become 0. That is what we are going to check. When we divide, if the remainder becomes 0, then we can say that g of x is a factor of p of x. We have 2t power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t squared minus 9t minus 12. We are going to divide that by t squared. T term is missing there, so I will put 0t minus 3. Now, when you take the first term in the dividend and the divisor, 2t power 4 divided by t squared, 2 divided by 1 is 2, t power 4 divided by t squared is t squared. So you get 2t squared. So we are going to multiply the entire divisor by 2t squared. 2t squared into t squared will give you 2t power 4. 2t squared into 0t will give you 0t cube. Minus 3 into 2t squared is going to minus 6t squared. Now we are going to subtract, so we have to change the symbol. This will get cancelled. 3t cube minus 0t cube is going to be 3t cube. Then minus 2 plus 6 is going to be 4t squared. Then you bring down the next term, but that is minus 9t. Now the first term which you have here is 3t cube. You are going to divide that by t squared. 3 divided by 1 is 3. T cube divided by t squared is t. So we get 3t. Then we are going to multiply the entire divisor by 3t. 3t into t squared is 3t cube. 0t into 3t is 0t squared. Minus 3 into 3t is minus 9t. When we are subtracting, we have to change the symbol and then add. This will get cancelled. 4t squared minus 0t squared is 4t squared. Minus 9t plus 9t will get cancelled. Bring down the next term, we have minus 12. Now, taking the first terms, we have 4t squared here. We are going to divide by t squared. So t squared and t squared will get cancelled. We will have 4. So we are going to multiply the entire divisor by 4. 4 into t squared is 4t squared. Minus 3 into 4 is minus 12. We need not multiply this term because multiplying by 0t is of no value. Then change the symbol and add. Both will get cancelled. The remainder is going to become 0. Now you can see that the remainder has become 0. Therefore you can say, t squared minus 3 is a factor of 2t power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t squared minus 9t minus 12. We are going to divide 3x power 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x squared plus 2x plus 2 by x squared plus 3x plus 1 and going to check whether this is a factor of this polynomial. If the remainder becomes 0, then this is going to be a factor of that polynomial. Now we have written both the polynomials. The first term here is 3x power 4. We are dividing by the first term, here is x squared. So 3 divided by 1 is 3, x power 4 divided by x squared is x squared. We are going to multiply the entire divisor by 3x squared. 3x squared into x squared is 3x power 4. 3x squared into 3x will be 9x cube. 3x squared into 1 will be 3x squared. When you are subtracting, you have to change the symbol and add. 3x power 4 minus 3x power 4 will get cancelled. 5 minus 9x cube is going to be minus 4x cube. Minus 7 minus 3, it is going to be minus 10x squared. Bring down the next term, plus 2x. Now we have minus 4x cube here. Dividing by x squared. Minus 4 divided by 1 is minus 4. X cube divided by x squared is x. So we get minus 4x. We are going to multiply the entire divisor by minus 4x. Minus 4x into x squared is minus 4x cube. Minus 4x into plus 3x is minus 12x squared. Minus 4x into 1 is minus 4x. We are going to subtract, that is, we are going to change the symbol and add. This will get cancelled. Minus 10 plus 12 is going to be 2x squared. Plus 2 plus 4 is going to be plus 6x plus 2. Now we have 2x squared here divided by the first term here, that is x squared. X squared and x squared will get cancelled. We will have 2. So we are going to multiply by 2 the entire divisor. 2 into x squared is going to be 2x squared. 2 into 3x is going to be 6x. 2 into 1 is 2. Now we are going to change the symbol and add. This will become minus, this will become minus, and this will become minus. This will get cancelled, this will get cancelled, and this also will get cancelled. So the remainder becomes 0. That implies, since the remainder has become 0, we can say that x squared plus 3x plus 1 is a factor of 3x power 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x squared plus 2x plus 2. We are going to check whether x cube minus 3x plus 1 is a factor of x power 5 minus 4x cube plus x squared plus 3x plus 1. Now you can see that x power 4 term is missing there, so we are going to write this as x power 5 plus 0x power 4 minus 4x cube plus x squared plus 3x plus 1. Here also you can see that after x cube, x squared term is missing, so we are going to write it as x cube plus 0x squared minus 3x plus 1. Now take the first terms. You are going to divide x power 5. Here the first term is x cube, so it is x squared. So we are going to multiply the entire divisor term by x squared. X squared into x cube is going to be x power 5. X squared into 0x squared is going to be 0x power 4. Then x squared into minus 3x is going to be minus 3x cube. X squared into 1 is going to be x squared. Now when you are subtracting, you have to change the symbol and add. This will get cancelled. This is of no use. 0 minus 0 is nothing. So minus 4x cube plus 3x cube. It is going to be minus x cube. Then we have x squared minus x squared. So this will also get cancelled. Then we have plus 3x plus 1. Now when you see the first term here, and the first term here you have minus x cube, you have plus x cube here, so you are going to have minus 1, minus x cube divided by x cube is minus 1, so we are going to multiply the entire term thereby minus 1, so minus 1 into x cube is minus x cube, minus 1 into minus 3x is plus 3x, minus 1 into plus 1 is going to be minus 1. Now we are going to subtract. When we are subtracting, we have to change the symbol. Minus x cube plus x cube will get cancelled. 3x minus 3x will get cancelled. 1 plus 1 is 2. Now you can see that the remainder is not 0, it is 2. Therefore, we can conclude that x cube minus 3x plus 1 is not a factor of x power 5 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1.